Hey guys, I'm really excited to be reviewing the Tozo Golden X1. The reason being is Tozo has been around for a long time. They've been selling relatively inexpensive $40, $50 earbuds and technology on Amazon. And this is their first flagship product, the Tozo Golden X1. Why I'm really keen to review it is there's three things I want to look at. Number one, is it worth the $150 price tag that these earbuds are at the moment? Secondly, does this compete with the more expensive earbuds in the marketplace? And I guess thirdly, have they got the right mix of technology, quality and design in these to actually be up there with some of the top earbuds in the marketplace? So you're going to really enjoy this review. We're going to start by doing an unboxing so you can see what comes in the box. We're then going to go and actually turn them on, test them out, show you how they actually work. Then we're going to take them out and about. See, unlike other review channels, we actually use the earbuds at MrYouWho. We'll take them out, so test out noise cancelling, we'll take them out to the gym so we can see how they work. We'll then discuss a bit more about the sound, some of the specifications about the earbuds, look at the app, and then give you our final thoughts. But you guys are going to find that already we do actually love these, and I think these may be up there potentially with taking on the Apple Airpods. Anyway, let's jump in and start the unboxing right now. Okay, so here we are taking a look at the Tozo Golden X1, having a look at the unboxing. So there's the earbuds there. Now I like the golden and black case as well. Again, it comes with LDAC and high-res audio as well, which we'll explore shortly. And there's a bit more about the box, what it comes with. So let's go and take a look at it now and take a look what's in here. So if we take a look, so you've got the instruction booklet just here. It kind of goes through how to set it up. Now it does come with an app as well, which we'll go in detail shortly, and a bit more about it there. Now here is the headphones. So you've got the case here, and you've got the two earbuds, and you've also got the earbud case. Now first, I like how these earbud cases are separated here. A lot of time this doesn't happen, and you have to pull them out of a box, and it's very challenging. And here's the case. So again, there's a case now. Again, good size, pretty standard for earbuds that you get. It looks quite good, and there it is. Now, one of the features I love here is, so I'm just going to pop the earbuds in. Now I'm going to take a close look at the earbuds in a minute. So firstly, the earbuds sit there. So you've got to go and pair the earbud there with the bottom, like so. But I don't know if you guys see that, but it comes up with a timer. See that? Now I actually think that's a really cool feature because it's sometimes very, very hard to be able to see what battery life's left. And this actually gives you the time as well. It's really good. So there's the case. Now, again, there it is compared to my hand. As you can see, good size. There it is there. If I do it against my finger, the length. So it easily fit into your gym pocket. USB-C charging. It also comes with wireless charging as well. So you can pop it on your wireless charging pad and it gets working. So let's go and take a bit more look at the actual earbuds themselves. Now, interesting design. I haven't seen this design before. You're going to find shortly when we actually test them out that actually is very, very comfortable. See, it is there. So it sits in the ear, and it's it's got 3 microphones on each earbuds, which works quite well. They also have 12mm drivers on each earbud, and again, you've got the high-res audio technology that works quite well. And you can see it's just started playing the music just then as I pressed it. So very, very touch sensitive. We'll talk about touch sensitivity shortly. They've also got built-in active noise cancelling as well as transparent mode, which is very, very good too. Now they say you get about 8 hours in these. Using them, I got probably about 5 or 6 hours, but I guess that's all part of using the high-res audio technology as well. So just get that in there so you can see. And the case comes with 32 hours as well. So it comes very, very quick charging. I've got about 20% in, say, 10 minutes. It worked quite well. And there they are there. So very, very easy to use. It comes with Bluetooth 5.3 as well, which is very, very good. The other thing I love with the Tozo Golden X1 is they can also multiple connect to multiple devices at once. So you connect, say, on a laptop or use them on the phone when you're using them too, which is really, really good. And they've also got wind noise cancellation as well. We're going to talk about some of the settings as well when we look at the app later. But as you can see, they look very, very nice. Good pair of earbuds. And again, there's the case. So I'm just going to pop them back in. Again, so you've got to line up that with the actual case. Like so. And there you go. So pop them in there. So there are the Tozo Golden X1. Okay, so how easy are the Tozo Golden X1 to set up? Well, they're very, very straightforward. Let's take a look. So here's the earbud case just here. We pop them out, and here's the earbud there again. So as you can see that. So there it is there. Now you do have the different earbud tips before, as we mentioned. So you go and get the earbud, and you put it in your ear like this. So it sits in there like that, and it just connects straight away. Now it sits really well in the ear, and then obviously you get the other one and pop them in as well. They have a very good seal in place, so I can't wait to test out the noise cancelling and the transparency mode, but they feel very good. You can't really feel them in the ears as well, and they feel like very good quality. So just said you can feel them like this. So what I'm going to go and do now is going to go and actually test them out and about, so we can see what they're like actually using at the gym, using them when busy traffic, so you guys can get a bit of an idea about what they're like. So you're using it on a busy road, and as you can see with these 6 built-in microphones, it does reduce the noise dramatically. It's got active noise cancelling in place, which reduces the noise so I can actually hear people when they're talking to me, but actually reduces the noise outside so they can hear me as well. Very clear crystal sound, which enabled me to have a good conversation on the bridge, and also actually listening to music on the bridge. I couldn't hear the traffic around me. It actually works very well. Here I'm using them at the gym as well. Now, because they sit so well in the ears, they're very comfortable. They don't move around at all, which is great for workouts. Now, they also, because of noise cancelling, I can't hear the gym music around the outside, which means the music's very clear, so I can focus on my workouts and focus on the music. And also wearing it for long periods of time as well, you don't actually get sore in the ear as well, so they fit comfortably, last long periods of time. And because of the IP68 as well, if you do sweating or you get moisture in them, it won't harm them as well. Oh, sorry guys, I just got carried away with the music then. The Tozo Golden X1 Earbuds have a fantastic soundstage. Now, what you'll find is when they first come out of the box, you'll find they're not that bass punchy, and I guess the reason being is you have to go into the app, which we'll show in a moment, to actually go and set the different types of sounds. See, in the app, you can actually set it to have higher bass, which seems to work really well. The other thing I found as well is when the noise cancellation is on as well, the sound quality drops slightly too. Now, that's obviously more because the noise cancelling these is absolutely fantastic, as you saw earlier. But then again, the sound quality is still fantastic. Now, they're using the high-res and LDAC technology in these. You can tell it's producing a fantastic sound. The soundstage is probably the most balanced of any earbuds I've seen, even among the premium quality ones, premium price ones I've had out there. It sounds very good. I was listening to rock, jazz, hip hop, jazz, the whole bit, and it sounded really good. So the guys have done a fantastic job with these. The music sounds great, and the app, which I'm going to show you guys shortly, really does help to balance out the sound as well. It gives a really good soundstage to it. So, I'd say probably up there among the best sound of earbuds I've had, which is really fantastic. And I think a lot of places now are starting to get on the LDAC bandwagon as well. Apple Airpods doesn't have it yet, so these guys are actually potentially leading the marketplace in actually technology. So as you can see, here is the app here. Now you connect automatically. Now the great thing with the app is you can do a sound test. Now what it does is it actually uses the earbuds to find the right sound for your ears using ages, but as you can see there, that's the sound test in the front. You can also toggle on noise cancelling or toggle it off. I found transparency mode was actually probably too good at times. The reason being is you could, if there was any kind of noise, it picked it up. So there, it also has a reduced wind noise. Did test it out. It worked quite well. You've got the leisure mode as well, which changes the settings. But as I said earlier, I found that the bass was not punchy enough in these. So as you can see here, you can actually change the level of the earbuds, and also so you can also change the bass in there, so you can change it accordingly, or you could change the treble, so you can make it much more balanced sound stage. And if we look at, see there again, sound effects. So if we look at there, you've got the higher bass, you could do the dance, you can also do your own customized sounds in place and move it around. I found this worked very well. It took me a little while to get to the right sound stage, but I got there eventually. And again, you can tailor all the controls as well. So you can tailor the touch controls, tailor how you use it. It's really good. Very efficient and a great looking app as well. So the guys have done a fantastic job with it. So what's my final thoughts with the Tozo Golden X1? Well, I said earlier there were 3 things I wanted to look at when doing the review and unboxing today in regards to these. Now, I guess the first thing I'd say is these are potentially a category killer. The reason being is they've got a lot of technology that some of the more expensive brands don't have, and you're getting it for half the price. Secondly, the guys have done a fantastic job going from your $40 to $50 kind of earbud mark to $150 it really has knocked out of the box. These sound fantastic. They're great quality. They come with things such as wireless charging, IPX6, long battery life, the high-res technology, the LDAC coding, the great sounding app. I mean, all these things do really add to it, and I would actually prefer to go for one of these than go for the Apple Airpods. The design's good, they fit in the ears well, and the guys have done a fantastic job with it. Now, if you're a bit concerned about using Tozo and paying, a little bit more than you may have paid in the past, the great thing with buying from Amazon is you can always return it if it doesn't work out. So I think this easily is worth the $150 price point. Very, very cost effective, and they're very, very good. So I highly recommend these. I recommend you guys get them. They are great earbuds and probably going to be among my favorite earbuds that I've reviewed. And they are taking on board the majors. So great job. It was a very good surprise getting these. Been very impressed with Tozo. So I suggest you guys jump on, have a look at them. Again, if you want to purchase some of these, there's links in the description below. Purchasing these earbuds supports me. Watching this video to the end supports me. And watching the videos generally supports me. And this video comes on just after I received my YouTube Silver Play Button Award as well. So, all very, very excited about the whole thing. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you guys have got the Tozo earbuds and what your thoughts are. And yeah, thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.